The top stories. State observes National Press Day, hands over awards to 8 state journalists. Traffic signals functional at only 2 traffic islands out of 8 in Imphal City. Others still being repaired. And General Secretary of Kangla Phamthou 64, Ingba Mangang condemns government's decision to play Raas Leela at Kangla. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Directorate of Information and Public Relations, DIPR, observed National Press Day today. As part of the observance, State Journalist Awards were conferred on 8 journalists, including an editor, for their outstanding service in the field of journalism.
As observed every year across the country, the Directorate of Information and Public Relations today observed the National Press Day with great honor and enthusiasm at the banquet hall of 1st MR. Chief Minister N. Biren, Minister of CAF and PD Karam Shyam, and Director of IPR Haishnam Balkrishna were the main guests at the observance. As part of the observance, the Chief Minister honored 8 selected journalists, including an editor of a local daily, for their commendable work in the field. Addressing the gathering at the observance, Chief Minister N. Biren said, "Media plays an important role in a democratic country like India. It is regarded as the 4th pillar of a democratic nation. As such, one should treat journalists with respect for their contribution to the society."
Kangla Chingman, even no Kangla Kanasa never Kangla, I'm sending a family to Maranham, publicly reporter of the Moon Hagi, Car, the Penatogi, and William. Professional.
Talking about medical tourism in state, the Chief Minister further said, a large number of people from Myanmar visit Manipur for seeking medical facility. Assuring less interruptions on the highways, the Chief Minister said the number of checkposts will be lessened to 2 for the convenience of the travelling patients.
Suppose I say, Kasambati be Yumahamba. Matamdu the scooter, people that don't follow up Ingba Hindu, I don't know Makai need a don't handle England Gary Masan amazing and then Fiat listening to food of people. Lower Salaga. How you having a music secretary? I know what I say. I see my say that. How you look talking about Secretary, no was hard, but letting more than letting calling, I see a man, Punga, how you look talking about Guy, so many in the Sungam, nothing good, nothing like you get up with the way until I work corner. You know, once and hopes a letter. Halaga, no other guy who seemed never be near to. The prayers here, hanging later, how many later, but on the Bakun Japi doesn't know Bakun Japigo. I live for the SNP. I how many they put on and Bakun Laura Penosi, I forgive. Mansi Bukita, I don't know how we tell but Nipala, be a half laughing. I don't know, get a while. They not get a comment of the video. Paumi ni na mayam respect of you and yam waba. The corruption ka tugan to ba koi black man to busu. Paumi profession si musuya na to ba. Tika to ro mi ne no na bum to ba. Profession di paumi di boi bum to. Yam waba ni.
Minister of CAF and PD Karam Shyam said, one should treat the journalist with love and affection. Journalists make effort to disseminate right information to the people, even though they need to work in adverse weather conditions.
ado family ki mu manu ai nupi ado isa isina community sintham se kaya pa manati madu gi maru yo maramdi mi gi na masala ekdam da thilli ado ki suppose ni mon takau ga thilli paumi sing gi pau lo de ada mina paumi ki pirai ba ma gi duty do responsibility do nan do ya ada mina khodi ma yaw ba ngamdi ado ki pesanu sa yam su thok na da mina ado tasengwadi akoi samaj da thabak tawriba si da paumi ji hena sacrifice over ai like tabrana khale.
On the other hand, editor of Pongnafam Aribam Robindra Sharma, who was honored with the prestigious National Integration and Communal Harmony Award, said journalists face all kinds of situations, be it merriment or tragedy. However, a journalist should never pull back, he asserted.
Yamna hazardous soiba yamna kano topa bamne ana lojei bali masida thengari bayok nariba makhal makha kya gi lungai busiawi awabusiawi ati busiawi akan busiawi loina mak ni paumi sina mayok nari bise masibu yokat piba paumi simbu luna sana tobiba yengthiba lebidaba paumi na tobiba thabak service miyam gi dabaktani society gi dabaktani hai bu khambiraga paumishna karimu matamda nioi bani land bu gamanate akoi gi ingraji prabhavta to it is the human and forgiveness the divine hai bu lei ni paumini land bu gamanate karimu kanda soiba land gi ba yaur ga su maduna maram waraga paumishing da khut thabani khangde amani khangde tathi ta woni tobi bani khangde tobi da ba soiba land ba lerga su matam chana na na iriba na na phogi ba paudu lali sumi sengdok sengjin Toba, aduna tabide hekta ararba pawabu konge adu taurani ata taurani hai bagi kano jik dum lai dana sum baga si tawida ba nasu tawida nam soya pil tawjani.
The journalists who were awarded are editor of Pongnafam Aribam Robindra Sharma for National Integration and Communal Harmony, sub-editor of Naharolgi Thaudang, Khetri Megajit for Science and Technology Reporting, staff reporter of People's Chronicle S. Bigyan for Rural Reporting, reporters of Huyan Lanpao, Puyam Bromeshwar for Parliamentary Reporting, Naurem Gyanan for reporting on arts and culture, Asem Bebicha for reporting on women and children, Laishram Bijoy for reporting on health and hygiene, and Ratneshwari Gosami for reporting on sports.
Out of the 8 traffic lights being installed at various traffic points of Imphal City, only 2 traffic lights are functioning. The government has reportedly spent lakhs of rupees to make the traffic lights function ahead of the upcoming Sangai festival. General Secretary of Kangla Phamthou 64 Ingba Mangang has said that Raas Leela should not be allowed to be performed inside the sacred place of Kangla. He was addressing a press conference at Manipur Press Club today. He further said, during the rule of King Narsingh, the art form was played inside the Kangla campus. However, the British officials would interrupt the Raas Leela dance forcibly, resulting in shifting of Kangla to Purairomba Khongnangkhong during the British rule in 1891. After the shifting of Govindajit temple to another venue, the hosting venue for Raas Leela was also changed to some other location. As such, Raas Leela must not be allowed at Kangla.
Nungi oiba warondi Kangla da Raas Leela sanarambi karamba matamda sanarambi hairagadi ekoi Baiga Chandrana langthabanda konung oiba matamda Raas Leela haiba posak asi hodokre masigi mathang tarapada Narasinghana Kangla manungda konung hongjalakuna Raas Leela sanakibagi pari lei adubu Raas Leela asi lising amang sanipano maudraga mathoida ekoi iramda masi Britishna loisan graba sasan tawraba matungdadi Raas Leela asi ekoi Kangla da sanarigaida Britishna matamda governor leiriba governor banglo leiriba sida British leirammi adudagi Kangla khudum channa bohona bada Kangla khudum channa bohona rakum matam sida Kangla da Raas Leela sanaramba amaka British na nomai kapsala kanda Raas Leela thugai ki habagi wari amaka sule aduna madu thugai ka matungda British na Kangla khudum changraba matungda di ponung ngasi.
As part of the continuous drive conducted by Anti-Drug Abuse Campaign Committee ADACC More, drug worth more than 1 crore rupees was destroyed in front of public at the office of the committee at Indo-Myanmar border town More. The drugs that were destroyed include 6,400 WY tablets, 24 packets of brown sugar, 10 packets of opium and other psychotropic substances. A formal meeting was also held at the office ADACC before the drugs were destroyed. Members of the committee, leaders of various civil bodies based in More attended the meeting. Convener of the ADACC, Kup Gangte, said the series of drives which is being conducted with an objective of keeping the youths from drug abuse is successful by 70%. He appealed to the people of More to extend all possible help in the cause.
Ngasi tawriba thawram ase ahumlak suba koi drive ki on base of drive ta hagaliba polum sing me thadok pani asi hoina tawba drive ase tungda Imphal liba naha singbo drugs tagi kanna ba kanna hotna jabani hoina hojik pawba chathabu sida 70% gumbadi success oi kharbra na khalli haibadi drugs users sing na su drugs pangbo wan khre asina takpadi koi gi drive se aduki matik success hoye haina khongduk chaningi.
On the other hand, leaders of various communities expressed happiness for the efforts taken up by the committee. The committee leaders further drew the attention of the government to extend all possible help in trying to make More a drug-free area. A reception was held at Manipur's Congress Bhavan for welcoming 11 new members who joined the party today. Leaders of Congress Legislature Party, CLPO Ibobi, member of Congress Working Committee CWG Gai Khangam and other party leaders accorded a warm welcome to the new members at the felicitation program.
A grand reception was held for 11 new members who joined the Indian National Congress today at Manipur Congress Bhavan, BT Road office, Imphal. The new 11 members were from different constituencies including Kairao Assembly Constituency under Imphal East District, Lilong Assembly Constituency under Thobal District and Chuchanpur, along with many members of Lamlai Municipal Council. The new members belongs to different political parties like BJP, NAIDP and other social workers. Addressing the gathering, CLP leader Okram Ivobi welcomed the new members and lauded the decision they have made to join the Indian National Congress. He also said that the state and central government has never converted their political assurances into action till today. That's why the large number of BJP workers are joining the Indian National Congress.
Development ki matang da ai yang haiserin ke hayeng matang tancha lakhi leba sing da ngasi tawrami ba development ma yang ke mini secretary sahab khamge adu district ki district hospital community health center adi sports complex adu da ni da tokna district ki makha subdivision laiba mate sub division 27 bed facility laitaba de ma hawla ma me koi loi na punjan laga साथ बार लोग मरने तो मोने तो उन्हीं को तो ही है कोरोना महाराष्ट्र के नो डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेडक्वार्टर का नुपी मार्केट का मंसाई.
Congress Working Committee members Gai Khangam also said that a large number of members have joined Indian National Congress today with the motive to strengthen the Congress party since the BJP in the past has failed to fulfill people's desires.
Congress party na position leadership Congress party natana leba kasi seva ngada atop party leite khandana party sibu mapangan kan khandabiyade Rahul Gandhi ki mapangan kan khandabiyade lakadar 2019 election asida awon na purakpa se koi puni tongdang le khanjana yawi ba yawi koi pun mutu ai amadi happy party के तरफ से कैसे बता रहे हैं मणिपुर प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमेटी की तरफ से इलेक्शन में बिल पार्टी ने उत्साह की कोई पुनः को कम आराम ऑक्चरी
Speaking with Tom TV, Lamlai Municipal Council Chairperson and BJP Councillor Ward Number 8, RK Memi Devi said, she, with other members, decided to join the Indian National Congress with the hope that they can do something better for the people in the state.
BJP की काजरा को वरगा जो BJP दगी तो डॉक्टर इबाजी कांग्रेस पार्टी दे यावजरगा कांग्रेस ना नियम की दम करी गुम खरदंग तौरकद्रा हाइबे की आशा दा यावजर
More than 11 members from different parties, from different constituencies have already merged into the Indian National Congress here, and a grand reception for the 11 members was held here in Manipur Congress Bhavan, BT Road. Reporter Blessing Yangmai with the camera person, Dev, Tom TV News, Imphal.
3 unidentified miscreants looted cash from 3 trucks carrying cement in between Bizang and Imphal City highway last evening at around 6. A mass search drive has been conducted in and around the surrounding areas by a combined team of Imphal West and Imphal East commandos. Well, it's time now for a short break.
Life and Style, a gateway to the elegance of Manipur. Coming soon, only on Tom TV.
Welcome back after the break. First ever Sangay International Angling Competition 2018 will be held during the Sangay Festival under the Tourism Department, Government of Manipur. All Manipur Angling Association will be organizing the competition, and tickets for the event were launched at Manipur Press Club today. At the tickets launching event, President of the association, A. Shivdas Sharma, said that the angling competition will be held on November 23rd and 28th during the Sangay Festival. An outer moat of Kangla and Loktak Lake in Thanga will host the competition.
Festival all Manipur Angling Association Tourism Department first ever Sangay International Angling Competition 2018 haiba ama event ama kona lawnama haplaga yana loinama pathok jagdori event asi khoi pandamdi enjoy the privilege of angling at Kangla Uttarmod at the historical Kangla and the experience angling in the wilds of Loktak Lake on Cotton Kundis and return with fond memories of Sangay Festival 2018 haiba thimmasine pure thamjari use.
Search operation has been conducted today at Oinam Sawombung Mayalekai by a team of Imphal West Police Commando and Wangoi Police led by SDPO of Mayang Imphal, Wangkomba during the hour-long search drive around 200 persons were verified and 1 person was arrested by the police on ground of suspicion. On the other hand, search operations underwent in different places of Kaithal Manbi last night. Furit Sabam JK reached border town More on cycle in the afternoon of today. He was flagged off from palace compound by King of Manipur, Leisemba Sanajauba on 12th of this month with an aim to spread awareness to the masses on saving the endangered Sangai, reaching Palen from tomorrow, Chandel yesterday and spending a night there. He reached More today. Further, he will leave More tomorrow and proceed for Yairipok, Andro, Ukrul and other far-flung areas.
Sep Sangai awareness da rumlak chabani ngasi More thunge nahan numit ngasi ga numit humni sure nahan kana Leisemba Sanajauba na kunungdi thajaraga Chochampur da ahamba thungaga matungda ngarang je Chandel legi Palen da kana tawja leijabani adu ngasi kana tawjabani ainum chasabasi Kachin Koya Manipur pumbagi num chachagadabani hayeng namu More dagi Palelom Power Gadum Tawal legi Andro Yaripok dagi Andro ya Hul je plan di tawjabani do ngamagadi kan tawragani ngamdragadi dum Andro da lekpai plan na kan tawjai agi main focus already Sangai have positive akogi state animal oibinina adu hotasina natana masing ji yam maktraba oiramnina ko mayam changdana kanina si hainingi.
Students of St. George High School More held a talent show. ASP KH Robinson, SDPO Sandeep Gopal Das, Major others of 11 Assam Rifle, OC of More along with community leaders attended the talent show. Expressing his gratitude, ASP KH Robinson said that organizing such talent show will bring out the hidden talents among the students.
This kind of activities, extracurricular activities are very much important in future career also, because this is the knowledge and the the personality you gain from these activities. This you cannot proceed, you cannot achieve this from your day-to-day classroom and this knowledge. So this is the time for you to show your talent.
Apart from the talent show, the students also showcased exhibition for social science, home science and science.
Students, you can ask them something.
Let's take a short break once again. Welcome back. More Police organized People's Day at More in Tengnopal district. ASP KH Robinson, Manipur Police SDC Romeo, OC More along with leaders of different community and government officials attended the event. CSO of different communities appealed the government to look into the matter of health deteriorating food from Myanmar and lack of district office at Tengnopal.
First of all, we don't have any RTO. So for the driving license, we have to go to Thobal, which is really a very long distance for the people settled down here. So if anything could be done in this department, it will be very helpful.
Area identify to Foga. City, Mayam the highway, very oily, my power.
Chemical yauriba manufacture yaudu posisa ka maina thingsige yai the ya di sarsi ji thingnaba si ga nama to honi ngarang na handesu ai bisu ti ba nga ma to 9 to ka doctor ko kalu desu doctor sina dum ai ngonda kai to ai school da kari je anga si kari sa anga sina mahi powder ma pore sa suyum school dagi gate gi leiraga powder si mana yum da ising to ga ising da mix to da Zau long soga o polai ki tak to is lupa mangapi madu ki posi charo ga anga si chao din nong ala ma sinai to ko di ma ji tak to ko do tak to na smai na ji kan ji anga yam play.
Later, additional SP Robinson assured the people that he will put forward their problems to the government.
Basically, water supply is a case of the leak wherever the Shoroki Matalaga. So, the sin that I might have put up with you. I think you can water sing man with the Natana, sing you mang public sin of everything I am manging. I was seeking post in the hand, Canada agency, China heavy concerned department have the basic and go to village demodify the water. Water supply
as the severe cyclonic storm Gaza met landfall in Tamil Nadu with wind speed gusting up to 120 kilometers per hour, 2 Cuddler residents and 4 people in Thanjavur were killed today. As the cyclone's landfall began, coastal towns including Cuddler, Nagapattiam, Thondi and Pamban in Tamil Nadu and Karaikal and Puducherry received rainfall ranging between 3 cm and 8 cm. Cuddler received 8 cm, Nagatiam 5 cm and neighboring Puducherry and Karaikal 5 cm each up to 5:30 today. According to a Met official in Chennai, Tamil Nadu State Disaster Management Authority said those in the relief centers went up to 81,948 in 471 relief center at Nagapattiam, Ramanathapuram, Thanjavur, Pudukkottai and Tiruvur from 76,290 people who were evacuated from low-lying areas. All eyes will be on India's boxing queen MC Mary Kom at the 10th edition of the IBA Women's World Championships in New Delhi. The poster girl of Indian women's boxing is eyeing her 6th world title. India is hosting the tournament for the second time after 2006, when the country topped the table with 8 medals, 4 gold, 1 silver, 3 bronze. India named a 10-member squad, which is a good mix of experience and young boxers. Here's a quick look at all 10 Indian boxers who will be in action at the World Championships this time. A 5-time world champion and the only Indian female boxer to win an Olympic medal, MC Mary Kom will be aiming for a 6th title at the World Championships. She had clinched a gold medal when India last hosted the World Championship in 2006. The 35-year-old Mary will be in action in her preferred 48 kg category at the mega event. Another Indian boxing legend from Manipur, Sarita Devi, will also be a big gold medal contender. She had won the gold medal when India last hosted the World Championships in 2006. The 36-year-old boxing star will represent India in the 60 kgs category. Well, let's have a top stories of newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Manipur University probe panel to inspect smart class works. Government targets Dolai Thabi Thobal projects before Lok Sabha polls. Kango-led NSCNK Government of India set for dialogue. New CEO for Mizoram. The People's Chronicle. Centre accepts NSCNK proposal to hold talks. Director clarifies on Jennings Dental College report. Chief Minister to public. Show good hospitality, high respect to guests. ADC Moray proposes, village chief opposes. Imphal Free Press. Chief Minister appeals to all not to call Band or general strike during Shanghai Festival. NSCNK and Government of India to talk soon. Digital education system will be provided to government primary schools of Andhra. New chairperson of MSCW focuses on drafting gender policy. Sangai Festival souvenir badge launched. The Morning Bell. No food business at Sangai Festival without FSI license, FSA. Curtains drawn on Money Tax 2018 on optimistic note. Chief Minister reviews security ahead of Sangai Festival. Manipuri activist Urmila Chanam conferred with Global Award.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. State observes National Press Day, hands over awards to 8 state journalists. Traffic signals functional at only 2 traffic islands out of 8 in Imphal City, others still being repaired. And General Secretary of Kangla Phamthou 64 Ingba Mangang condemns government's decision to play Raas Leela at Kangla. Well, that's all for now. Thank you so much for being with us.